In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through a complete GoDaddy website builder tutorial in 2026 and show you how to easily make a professional website even if you have zero technical experience. Whether you're starting a small business, building a personal brand, or launching an online store, this guide will help you get your site live fast. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical website tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com, then head to your account and click on My Products. This is where you'll see all the services connected to your GoDaddy account. If you're new and don't have a website yet, this is where you can start creating one. Under the Website section, click on Start for Free. GoDaddy's website builder allows you to begin without paying up front, which is perfect if you just want to test things out and design your site before committing to a plan. Next, you'll be asked to choose your desired website option. GoDaddy may ask what type of website you want to create, such as a business website, online store, portfolio, or blog. Choose the option that best matches your goal. For example, if you plan to sell products, select the online store option. Once you've selected your website type, click Continue. Now you'll be prompted to choose your website content category. This helps GoDaddy pre-build a layout tailored to your industry. You might see options like restaurant, consulting, fitness, photography, and more. Pick the one that best fits your business. This will save you time because the template will already include relevant sections. After selecting your category, click Continue. Next, type in what you want to call your business. This will usually appear in your website header and branding sections. Make sure the name is spelled correctly and matches your brand. After entering your business name, click Continue. Now you'll need to enter your contact details. This typically includes your email address, phone number, and business address if applicable. These details can automatically populate your contact page, so visitors know how to reach you. Fill in the required information carefully, then click Continue. After that, you'll be asked to describe what your business is about. This is important because GoDaddy uses this description to generate suggested text and layouts for your website. Write a short but clear description of your services or products. For example, you can mention what you offer, who you help, and what makes you unique. Once you've entered your business description, click Continue. At this point, GoDaddy will generate your website automatically. Within seconds, you'll see a pre-built website based on the information you provided. This includes a homepage, about section, contact section, and possibly service or product sections depending on your selections. If you want to add products to sell online, click on Add Products inside the website editor. Here you can upload product images, write product descriptions, set prices, manage inventory, and configure payment options. Take your time to fill in each product properly to make your store look professional. You can also customize your website further by editing text, replacing images, changing colors, adjusting fonts, and rearranging sections. Simply click on any section to edit it. Use high-quality images, keep your text clear and simple, and make sure your call to action buttons like Contact Us or Shop Now are easy to see. Once you're happy with your design, preview your website to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. This step is very important because most visitors will view your site on their phones. Make sure everything looks clean and easy to navigate. When you're ready to go live, click Publish. If you're using the free version, your site may be published on a GoDaddy subdomain. To use a custom domain, you can upgrade your plan and connect your domain name. And that's it. Your website is now ready and live using GoDaddy Website Builder in 2026. As you can see, the process is straightforward and beginner-friendly, and you can build a professional-looking website in just a short amount of time. If this tutorial helped you create your website, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website building and online business tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.